Coming back with another ear cleaning video here. This is another gentleman with hearing aids that when I looked in, his ear canal was actually very narrowed. You can kind of see it's more of a slit shaped, and that's probably why he's having a lot more cerumen impaction than his other side actually, which was completely normal. It was nice and round, but this one's a little bit more oval shape. So initially I started out with a curette to see if I can get it out, but it was a very gummy kind of earwax, so I switched to a suction to use, and you can actually see that there's little bits of black hair that's coming out, and that's actually from his recent haircut that he's had. So you have that hair right there. And again, you can kind of see that narrowed ellipse-shaped ear canal. He's never had any surgery before. I think it's just the way his anatomy was formed was a little bit unequal on both sides. So cleaning out his last flecks of earwax from his ear canal. It's kind of tricky with old people because I don't want to take too much out and really irritate the ear canal, so I left a little bit in there. But you can see, nice little eardrum.